welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Teespring to make your own custom t-shirts and sell them on Etsy, Amazon, and different kind of websites like Shopify. So first, you have to log into Teespring, go to teespring.com, and you're going to see this page. And after that, you're going to list a product. So you're going to click on here. So I have my own listing here. This is a phone case. However, we want to make a t-shirt. So we're going to press on create. And after you press on create, you're going to see that there's going to be thousands of products, not thousand, but a lot of products. This can be digital apparel, but today we're gonna be choosing comfort t-shirt. So this is our t-shirt. This is like an actual t-shirt, and we wanna make a image. So we're gonna get an image. We have to make our own design since there's gonna be people buying this product. So let's use this one. So this is my thumbnail from one of my videos. And this is the maximum so this is the space that's maximum for printing. So we're gonna like fit it here. And so this is just an example, by the way, so don't do this. You're not gonna be able to sell your t-shirt. And after you choose it, you have to like choose the product color based on the order that you get from like Etsy, those platforms like your dropshipping website. You have to choose the color. So let's say this guy wants yellow, so we have to choose yellow. And then you have to set your pricing here. Also, you can use Teespring to dropship. So Teespring directly makes you um, ship their products. Teespring is like for designing products, and just when you do that, so let's say somebody buys your product, Teespring like automatically ships it. They put your packaging, everything, and you can even try it. They give you a free sample. And yeah. So after you do that, let's edit text. Let's say subscribe. By the way, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. You put your subscribe thing here, and then you press on preview. So this is our t-shirt. So this is actually our t-shirt. I mean, it doesn't look good, but yeah. You can also put high resolution. And after that, you can put your featured color. There's an advanced setting, which shows that it shows how it looks. And wait, 1 minute, guys. So yeah, let's remove this one and let's continue. And then after we continue, it's going to ask us which products that we want to use for the options. So let's say this guy doesn't like comfort tee. This guy doesn't like normal t-shirts. This guy likes hoodies. So we're going to press on hoodie. And it's going to be the same design. Also, you can change the design here. You have to press edit. And this is so easy. You can also do the subscribe mug. If you have like your own brand, it would be easier. You can do Apple Watch band, jigsaw puzzle. Like there's a lot of products here, and I'm gonna be making videos for each of them since a lot of people are starting to realize that Teespring is the best website to dropship your products. This is like a directly dropshipping products. All you have to do is just get the customers to the websites. They give you the websites. You just get your custom domain, and that's it. And then we're gonna press on continue, and we're gonna put a title subscription T-shirt premium. So put something like premium. Those good brands. Also, you can go to title generator to get the best description. So polyester, very safe, best product, quality brand. And then you can press on advanced to fix your URL for your listing, like your website URL, and you press on launch listing. And this is basically it. And they make it launch it for you. And when somebody buys the product, they directly buy from the website. And when you get the product sale, you don't do anything. All you have to do is just do the marketing, and you have to pay for the monthly fee for the what is it called? The URL, like the domain, and you can activate it and it will be on your store. Let's activate it to show you guys. Activate dashboard. Um, Everything's up to date. Um, so go to listings, and you'll see that your listings are here, and these are the online listings. And basically, that's it for this video. I'm going to be making more videos about Teespring. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment so that I can answer them. I'm going to be answering every single question that you guys have. And see you guys in the next video, y'all. Thank you all.